Hi guys, how are you doing today? Greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I want to make a review video of Dynewell. I want to talk about Dynewell. I made a video about Dynewell, how to gain weight with Dynewell, and a lot of people were asking me questions. So in today's video I will be answering all the questions. I will be throwing more light on Dynewell. I will also be talking about the side effects, and I will be talking about a lot of things, if the weight is permanent or not. So if you want to know if this actually works for weight gain or not, make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? And please also make sure you drop where you are seeing me from in the comment section, okay? So guys, this is Dynewell. Dynewell comes in two different forms. They have the liquid one and they also have the tablet one. This is the tablet one. Why this is the liquid one? The liquid one has a label, Dynewell. I removed it. Okay, this is the tablet one. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry. Okay, let me just keep it somewhere here. Let me see. You see it, Dynewell. So it comes in two different forms. This is tablet and this is the liquid. This liquid also comes in two different forms. It has the normal Dynewell, which is this one. It also have the plus Dynewell. The normal Dynewell is for general weight gain, while the plus is specifically for your front side and your back side. The Dynewell plus, okay? So the plus comes in a big size, while the normal one comes, like the general one, the general weight gain comes in this size. Okay, this one I got it for 2,500 naira. You can get it from 2,500 naira up to 4,000 naira. It depends where you are buying it from. Why the plus is being sold for 5,000 or 6,000 naira, it is being sold for 5,000 naira up. It depends where you are also buying it from. Okay, please, I will always tell you, because some persons will be like, it didn't work for me, and someone commented on my last video I talked about Dynewell. So the person was like that she took Dynewell, that she was not feeling sleepy, she was not feeling hungry, something like that. So I was asking her if she actually got the original. Please make sure you buy this from a reliable source, like from a drugstore, from a pharmacy, so that you buy the original one. It's not when you get it somewhere else you buy the fake, because there are a lot of Dynewell in the market, so that you not buy the fake, because when you buy the fake it is not going to work for you, okay? But when you get the original, it is definitely going to work for you. Okay, so I got it in a pharmacy. If you want to buy yours, make sure you buy it in a pharmacy to a drugstore. Okay, buy it from a reliable source so that you get the original. So this drug is not supposed to be given to a child who is not up to 6 years of age. So make sure that your child that you want to give this drug to is up to 6 years of age. Please, disclaimer, I'm not a nurse or a doctor. Before you take this, please make sure you talk to your doctor or your nurse before you take this, because this is a drug. Okay, I'm just making this video based on experience. Do not go and take this on your own. So on it is written that this should only be given to a child that is up to 6 years. So from 6 years, that's when you are supposed to start taking Dynewell, in case you want to take it. Okay, so someone asked me, is the weight permanent? Let me be very honest. If you want to take Dynewell, you want the weight to be permanent, just make sure that 1 or 2 bottles of this, 1 or 2 tablets of this is not going to do the job. Okay, they are not going to do the job. You have to take more, and you have to also take it for a long period of time. Please, let me talk about the side effect. One of the side effects is sleeping too much. I took this yesterday, you know. This one is still remaining. So I got the tablet one. I got it for a while now. So I decided to start taking it. Yes. If you haven't seen my video where I made a recipe that will help you to slim your belly fat, please check out that video. So after taking that drink, I waited for some time before, because that drink is also very good for infection. So I waited for a while before I decided to take this. So I just started yesterday. I've not taken today, I just took yesterday. You need to see, I was supposed to make this video yesterday, but I was so tired. I slept throughout yesterday. I've been sleeping even till now. My face still look dull. I've been sleeping, like I've been very, very tired. So one of the side effects is sleeping too much. Someone told me that she took this but she wasn't sleeping too much. Maybe she didn't get the original. So please, before you take this, Also make sure you have food. Also bear in mind that you're going to sleep too much. Make sure you don't have any work that you're supposed to do. That's why I will recommend some persons, I'll tell them to take it during the weekend. Okay, not the time you'll be working, you'll be going to work, because this will make you sleep too much. And I will also tell people, please do not take this when you drive or you operate any machine, so that you not get harm. Okay, because this will make you very tired, dizziness, tiredness. These are the normal side effects. Will make you sleep too much. You always be hungry. Like, I've been eating too much since yesterday. I've been eating too much. So if you know you don't have food, please do not take this. If you know you drive, you walk, please do not take, because it's going to make you tired. You will always be feeling hungry and you will want to sleep. These are the normal side effects. So if it gives you serious issues, maybe like stomach pain, please discard it. Do not continue to use it. Okay, if it's giving you serious issues, stop using it. Okay, but if it's making you sleep too much, dizziness, feeling hungry, you want to eat, hunger, these are the normal side effects. Okay, so someone also asked me, can a pregnant person take this? If you are pregnant, please, it's not advisable for you to take drugs on your own. Make sure you talk to your doctor before you take this. If you have any health issue, because someone asked me if someone with high BP can take this. If you have any health issue, please make sure you talk to your doctor before you take this. Do not take drugs on your own, because this is a drug. Okay, so someone also asked me how to take this. It comes with a measurement. Here you see the measurement cup. So you take a full of this. Take it before you eat. Okay, you take it before you eat, so that it will enable you to eat much. So let me tell you, if you take only this without eating much, you will just gain a little weight. Okay, because this will help you when you eat much, you gain healthy weight. Okay, so the measurement comes with this. Someone asked me, can I take it twice in a day? Yes, you can, but for me, I don't take it twice in a day. I just take it only in the night. That's when I take it, only in the night. Okay, I take it only once. I take this once in the night. So how do you identify the original and the fake Dynewell? If you want to know the original and the fake Dynewell, it's from the color. First, check the label. Someone chatted me up and the person was like that the Dynewell she got was not well spelled. I thought that she got the fake one. There is no way you're going to get your Dynewell and it will not be well spelled. Okay, check the label and check the Dynewell that is written on it. It is supposed to be well spelled. Let the Dynewell be well spelled. Okay, so another thing is the color. Check the color. It's not supposed to be too dark. Let it not be too dark. Okay, and also check how it tastes. It tastes like cough syrup when you are taking cough syrup. Someone also asked me if this is too liquid, like how the texture is. It's not too liquid. It's not watery. Okay, it's not watery. Someone asked me if it's watery. It's not watery. It's not watery. It's not like it's not watery. It's not too liquid like that. It's just normal. Okay, it's not watery. It's just normal. Okay, and it doesn't foam too much. When you get yours, you shake it and it foams too much. Maybe you didn't get the original. It's not supposed to foam too much. Okay, so someone also asked me if a man can take this. The answer is yes. A man can take it. It's for both male and female. If you're a man, you can also take this. Okay, so if you don't want to take the liquid, you go for the tablet. If you don't want to go for the tablet, you go for the liquid. Anyone you want is okay. Someone asked me, can I take the liquid and tablets at the same time? It's also left for you. Yes, you can, but it's also left for you. Okay, you just need to be careful so that you not take overdose. So it does not start reacting too badly on you. Someone asked me, can I take this with other Dynewell syrup? Yes, you can, but it is also left for you. Why most times it's not advisable to take two different weights against syrup at the same time is because when it start reacting badly, you don't know the exact one that is reacting badly on you. So that's why it's more advisable you take a specific one so that you will know how it is reacting on you. Okay, so there are a lot of questions that we asked. I don't know if I can still remember many of them, but if you have any question in regards to Dynewell, any weight with it, just make sure you leave it in the comment section. I will attend to you and I will answer you. Okay, So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't liked this video, what are you waiting for? Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will attend to it. And please make sure you drop where you are watching me from in the comment section. I love you. My name is Amaka. See you on my next video. Bye guys.